Very soon, we are about to show you the longest president convoy in Africa. But maybe before we do that, we should describe what is a convoy. A convoy is a group of vehicles, typically motor vehicles or ships, traveling together for mutual support and protection. Often, a convoy is organized with armed defensive support and can help maintain cohesion within a unit. It may also be used in a non-military sense, for example, when driving through remote areas. So since now we have explained, described, and defined what is a convoy, let's see the biggest president convoy in Africa, shall we?
Yo, msafara wa rais huo, Mama Samia Suluhu. Ondoa Suluhu. Huyo baba bake. What's up? Hii ndo najua bana, kula chuma hicho. Bado gari hazijaisha hivi. No man. I don't know. Masai, cheki chawa hizi zimepanda juu ya gari. Cheki na iko. Bwana. Nazima moto. Baba bake. Gari zimeisha. Check. What's up? Hii ndo najua kuna nini. Kuna na kilo. Bana, kula chuma hicho. Bado gari hazijaisha hivi.